I got the clutch pulled in and it'll just stall. Here I'm going to remove the rear brake, that way I can take the clutch cover off. Then I'm going to remove these 6 8mm bolts. Take the clutch cover off. Then I'm going to go ahead and take off these 5 clutch pressure plate bolts. Remove the clutch plates. So here you're going to see me start installing the friction plates and the steel plates. You're going to start with a friction plate and alternate them, finishing with a friction plate last. Now, good technique is to go ahead and soak these in some transmission fluid before installing them. I made sure to do this beforehand. If you do not do this, you're going to want to take and apply transmission oil to the surfaces of each plate to avoid clutch plate seizure. Next, I'm going to install the clutch pressure plate. After that, I'm going to install the clutch pressure plate springs. And then I'm going to install the pressure plate spring bolts. You're going to want to tighten these down in a star pattern and then torque them down to 8.8 Newton meters. Here I'm going to go ahead and install the clutch cover back on. Here's a quick torque spec in the manual. Yeah, I can come to a complete stop now without it stalling.